Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value solution. X power 4 equal to x minus 4 whole power 4. Now we are moving this left hand side. So x power 4 minus x minus 4 whole power 4 equal to 0. Now we are changing this power. X power 2 power 2 minus whole power 2 power 2 equal to 0. Now we know this formula that a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. We are going to apply this here. X square minus x minus 4 power 2 x square plus x minus 4 whole power 2 equal to 0. A minus b whole power 2 equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here and here. X square, this x square minus open bracket, so x square minus 8x, that is 2 times of 4 is 8, this is x. Okay, now plus 4 square is 16. Now this x square plus again this one x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Now we are opening this bracket. So x square minus x square plus 8x, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus 16. Now this x square and x square is 2x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Now this minus x square and plus x square cancel each other. So here 8x minus 16 this side 2x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Now we have two equation solutions. One is this, other one is this. So 8 minus 16 equal to 0. This side 2x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. So 8x equal to 16. Now divide by both sides by 8. This 8 cancels this, simplify this, this is 2. So x equal to 2. This is real solution. This side. Now divide this equation by 2. So x square 8 divided by 2 is 4x plus 16 divided by 2 is 8 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 4, C equal to 8. Now the quadratic equation formula is here. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 times of 1 times of 8 by 2 times of 1. Now x equal to minus into minus is plus, so 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square is plus 16 minus, this is 4 times of 8 is 32 minus 32 by 2 times of 1 is 2. Now x equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 32 is minus 16 by 2. Now x equal to 4 plus or minus, this can be written as 16 times of minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 4 plus or minus 16 square root of 16 is 4, I minus 1 square root is I by 2. Now x equal to, here we are going to take common 2, so 2 times of 2 plus or minus 2i close bracket by 2. This 2 cancels this, so we have complex solution is x equal to 2 plus or minus 2i, that is x2 equal to 2 plus 2i, x3 equal to 2 minus 2i. We have to obtain 3 solutions. One is x equal to 2, this is real solution, x2 equal to 2 plus 2i, x3 equal to 2 minus 2i. These are the possible solutions.